Guys, don't say this is fake when I'm done doing this. I'm placing a whole cave of TNT. Trust me, this is a big cave. It's not a small cave, look. I'm gonna show you. Look how deep it is. And I'm gonna show you how big the hole is. I got a cave, then I placed TNT, exploded it, placed TNT again, exploded it, placed TNT again, exploded it. It says 2 dies because I paused the dice. It's always die. But if there was dice, I would have gotten like 200 dice. Wait, where's the exit? I forgot where the exit was. I think here. Now this is wrong. Wait, it's somewhere. I'm getting lost. This cave is too big. But I exploded this whole cave. It's not a natural cave. Here. Here. Oh no, I think this is... Oh no, it's not a whole new part. Okay, wait, I think it's like here. That's the exit. I know I broke something. Okay, yes, here. My game is gonna get a bit laggy here. Guys, this is not small, look. And it's not well edited or anything. This is glitch blocks, you can't do anything with it. You can't mine through it, you can't push it. You can piston it somewhere else. Or if you break the blocks under it, it goes down. You can't do anything else. Wait, I wonder where I did something. No, I don't know. Okay, look guys. Yes, this is too big and I made stuff there. Wait, why did I make stuff like in the middle of the water? Maybe it was... Oh, there was caves that came out there. Okay. Look. Like under this thing there's a whole tunnel system that was exploded. It's almost as big as an island. And when I'm done filling this up, this